Gates open, they're up and racing. Music King draws for your lead. The San Diego is running by the rail, racing in third, Flourish, then followed by Take Me Tonight and Don. Eduardo's Best is running at the tail of the field as they race towards the last 900 with Music King in command by about 2 lengths. The San Diego is in second, racing in third, Flourish by the rail, Take Me Tonight, then comes Don. Eduardo's Best as they rounded the last 600. It's still Music King maintaining a 2 lengths lead over the San Diego. Flourish, Don, Eduardo's Best, and Take Me Tonight now running at the tail of the field as they rounded the last 450. Music King, the San Diego now throwing a challenge on the outside, and moving up is Flourish by the rail, Take Me Tonight, Don, Eduardo's Best, and down the stretch they come. The San Diego running on the outside to grab the lead. Music King drops back in second, moving up Flourish, Don, Eduardo's Best, and leading the finish line, it's the San Diego. Second, Flourish. Music King close with Don, Eduardo's Best, then comes Take Me Tonight.